December 3rd, and we're back with the Magnavox. Put away the 25-inch one I've been watching. Get out of here. It's going to do that thing again, I think. Come on. Oh, it's working with the Insignia converter box this time. Sorry about the content. Yeah, last time we couldn't get it to work with the Insignia converter box. Greens are like green. Don't ever compare CRT side by side unless you're into the characteristics of how they are. It's classic. Phillips tube, 19-inch. Let's get close. Yes, we're using a Handycam now from 2013. My mother got for my birthday at a garage sale and some other stuff.
In balance, plus stimulate healthy circulation.
Greenwood tests
Greenwood.
chest and wardrobe.
Yeah, this looks good.
Shop furniture you can rely on at Greenwood.tv.
Welcome back to Country
I haven't
Music
played a bad one
Rewind.
yet. All upbeat stuff, no whiners. And nice, they went over 30 minutes without playing a whiner. And here it is. Did they get a new drummer in the other video that I saw? I swear to God, he looked like Bert Kreischer. I was like, what the hell? He was like kind of fat and he had a beard like he does. Ooh, nice. They didn't put the channel logo on. It's like we're watching off DVD or something, but it doesn't look as good. Haven't seen this one. It's era appropriate to watch on the sharp. It's a bit on the green side. Yeah, it shows up perfectly on camera. What the hell's that all about? This thing was looking great earlier. Huh.
You think I don't know how to do my job?
It is December 3rd, and we're